I can Odisha news.
Audio Jungle.
US President Donald Trump has warned China of consequences if it was knowingly responsible for the spread of novel coronavirus pandemic. Disappointed over the handling of the coronavirus disease by China, Trump alleged non-transparency and initial non-cooperation with the US on the issue. Trump said his relationship with China was very good till the time the deadly COVID-19 swept the world. The president underlined that there was a big difference between a mistake that got out of control or something done deliberately.
Russia on Sunday reported a record rise of 6,060 new coronavirus cases over the previous 24 hours, bringing its nationwide tally to 42,853, the Russian Coronavirus Crisis Response Center said. The majority of Russia's cases are in Moscow. Since March 30th, all of Moscow's 12 million residents have been ordered to stay in their homes with few exceptions. 361 people have been killed by the virus in Russia.
The World Health Organization on Saturday issued guidelines for the holy month of Ramadan that begins on April 23rd. In view of the COVID-19 pandemic, with strict social distancing norms in place in several countries, the WHO advised that several steps should be followed during Ramadan to mitigate the impact on public health. The guidelines said a standardized risk assessment exercise must be followed while taking a decision to either modify or cancel a mass gathering. Instead of mass gatherings, virtual alternatives can be adopted, for example, using mediums such as television, radio, or the internet.
The Income Tax Department is now revising income tax return forms so that taxpayers can avail benefits of relief measures given by the government due to coronavirus lockdown. The Finance Ministry said the CBDT is revising the return forms for financial year 2019-2020, which shall be notified by the end of this month. The revised ITR forms would allow taxpayers to enjoy benefits of their transactions carried out during 1st April 2020 to 30th June 2020. It is also likely that the Income Tax Department would extend the July 31st last date for filing of ITR this year.
Urging unity and brotherhood in the response towards COVID-19, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday said the virus does not see race, religion or borders before striking. A tweet by the Prime Minister's office read, "Our response and conduct thereafter should attach primacy to unity and brotherhood." Modi's statement comes after a Muslim congregation that sparked a wave of COVID-19 cases in India triggered outrage that later took an Islamophobic turn. After Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri advised airlines to open bookings only after the government takes a decision on resuming passenger flight services, Vistara and Air Asia India on Sunday said they have not received any notice from the Aviation Ministry. All private Indian airlines, including Vistara and Air Asia India, are currently taking bookings on select flights from May 4th, but national carrier Air India has stopped taking bookings on all flights. All domestic and international commercial passenger flight operations have been suspended during the lockdown period. However, cargo flights and special flights authorized by aviation regulator DGCA have been permitted during this period.
According to the Ministry of Health, as on Sunday morning, there are 15,712 confirmed coronavirus cases in India, of which 12,974 are active cases. While 2,231 people have been cured, 507 deaths have been reported. Among the states, Maharashtra is the worst affected, followed by Delhi and Madhya Pradesh. Children in Spain have been kept indoors since the 14th of March under strict measures to curb the spread of COVID-19. Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez has said that he aims to relax the rule on 27th April so that they can get some fresh air. The move comes after Barcelona mayor, who has young children herself this week, pleaded with the government to allow children outside. Spain has seen more than 20,000 deaths since the start of the pandemic and almost 200,000 reported cases.